Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back in with another video for you guys. Today's video, giving a little preview for a tool that I'm restoring. So stay tuned. So here we go with another auto wrench. This is, here we go. BHM Corporation, Bridgeport, USA. So this was stuck on this, so I had to put some WD-40 on it. Was able to get it moving a little bit. I had to drill out the pin that was in there. Now the pin that was in there wasn't one that you could just undo with a screwdriver. So I had to drill it out, but that didn't really work that well. So I had to use what's the name of it? Had to use a metal saw to cut the end off. And so we get that, and I made my own pin. And yes, it is off center. Might fix that soon. Yeah, I'll definitely fix that. That way it's a little bit better. But this is going to one of my friends, John. He's also a subscriber, so thank you, John. He decided that he wanted it to be red, so I'm gonna get rid of all the blue paint, sand it all down, make it look really nice, paint it, and then give it to him. So just wanted to give this little quick update right now, or I guess preview right now, so you guys can see the before, and then I'll probably make some videos about during it and the process and all that stuff. But here you go. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.